Congress has ramped up pressure on the Modi government by filing a privilege motion against Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu in the Lok Sabha as well. The Congress yesterday accused the government of misleading the Parliament over HRD Ministry's circulars on celebrating Atal Bihari Vajpayee's birthday on Christmas as Good Governance Day. Despite the BJP's clarifications that there was no question of disrupting the Christmas holiday, the Congress has cited 3 HRD Ministry circulars directing the CBSE, Navodaya schools and universities to hold seminars and oratory competitions on December the 25th to mark Vajpayee's birthday.
वेंकैया जी की एक समस्या है कि उनकी सरकार हर मोर्चे पर असफल हो गई है, कुछ कहने को है नहीं। तो कभी वो लब जिहाद शुरू करवा देते हैं, कभी नाम बदलने की बात शुरू कर देते हैं। आज वो खड़े होकर ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि हमारी सरकार ने पिछले 6 महीने में ये किया। तो मैं इसे फिर एक कोशिश मानता हूं, वास्तविक मुद्दे महंगाई से, काला धन वापसी से और तमाम जो वायदे थे बेरोजगारों को रोजगार देने का, उससे ध्यान हटाने का वेंकैया जी की एक नाकाम और असफल कोशिश।
All right, headlines today's Atir Khan joins me live from Parliament. Atir, a privilege motion has been moved against Venkaiah Naidu in the Lok Sabha. This as the concerted opposition looks to corner the government in the Rajya Sabha, demanding a statement from the Prime Minister on the issue of conversions.
Well, absolutely. In a rare display of unity, the opposition is united to corner the government on various issues. Conversion being in the upper house, since the government doesn't have the numbers in the Rajya Sabha, so therefore they are pressing for the Prime Minister's statement on this issue. The Prime Minister has earlier condemned the statement, the objectionable statement made by the Minister and the member. However, they are adamant the opposition wants him to speak around 12 noon. The government has clarified its stand that the Prime Minister will not speak on this. It will be the Home Minister who can discuss. However, the opposition wants reply on that. But in the other house, which is Lok Sabha, where the opposition doesn't have the adequate numbers, the Congress, they have moved a privilege motion to call the government on the issue of the HRD circular. They are armed with the HRD circular. They want to build pressure on the government, but you never know. The government will have many more documents to substantiate the other version. So you never know what are the final notings of the minister on that issue. So clearly, we'll have to wait and watch how things unfold at 12 noon in the Rajya Sabha when the Prime Minister appears there, and also in the Lok Sabha what the government has to say on this issue.
Right, 12 noon is the time that the Prime Minister will in fact make it to the Rajya Sabha. Remains to be seen whether Prime Minister Narendra Modi reacts as what the opposition has in fact been demanding. Meanwhile, in the Rajya Sabha, while there is disruption over the zero-hour proceedings, in the Lok Sabha, there has been a privilege motion that has in fact been moved against Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu over the HRD Ministry's circulars in order to have 25th of December, that's Christmas Day, to be celebrated as Good Governance Day.